What's up, my nerds? This is Mr. Catlin here with lesson 5, and I say nerds as a term of endearment. I love you guys. It's lesson 5, and we're looking at our cooldown for this third option of another cell phone plan. And this particular one is given a function where it's called C. So I guess option C. We're down to option C here, and it's 30x plus 5. So like $5 a month, but they're going to charge you 30 bucks every time you go a gigabyte over. All right? So you definitely don't want to go over because the overage charges are going to be crazy. But you got 2 gigabytes to roll with. Every one you go over, you're getting charged an extra 30 bucks. This would be the old man plan. The guy that doesn't ever use his data, you can get by with $5 a line, and you're like, going to be great shape because you're never going to go over your data because it's like, I don't know how to use this thing. Be like Austin dressing up as an old guy, acting like he's old all the time. And what was it, Keeley, who had the flip phone? That was fantastic. So if you're going to be old, this is the plan for you because you can not go over and only pay $5 for the charge. This is great. So if we have C of zero point 0.7, what does that mean in this situation? Well, zero point 0.7 means that zero point 0.7 gigabytes over 0.7 gigabytes over uh, our 2 gigabyte allowance is what that means. R2, R2D2 is going off. That's my phone for text. I'm a dork. Yeah, nice. That's my wife. I will see her shortly. I got to finish my video first, honey. Hold on. So 0.7 gigabytes over our 2 gigabyte allowance is what this means. And it says find it. That means we actually got to plug it into the function and find out what it is. So the function is C of x equals 30 times our gigabytes plus 5. So we need to find C of 0.7, which is going to put zero point 0.7 in x's place and then add 5 to it. Well, 7 times 3 is 21, so this is going to be 21 bucks we're going to have to pay because it's not even a full gig you went over. And then plus 5, which means that C of zero point 0.7 would equal 26 bucks. So that's a pretty good deal. That's not too bad of a charge, but only paying 26 bucks for a cell phone plan and you still went over. That's not too bad at all. Okay, so let's look at her budget. It's still at $50 a month. And we're trying to find out how many gigabytes of data that she can use if she chooses this plan. Okay, so this time we're going to put 50, not in the place of x like we did on the first problem. We're going to put 50 in the place of the function c of x. So this 50 is going to replace the c of x that is right here. All right, so the whole thing is going to get replaced. So our shown work would be 50 equals 30x plus 5. We know that she's got 50 bucks to spend. How many x's, how many gigabytes can she go over her 2 gigabyte allowance to get there? So we just solved this. We subtract 5 from both sides. We got 45 equals 30x. And then the next thing is we would divide both sides by 30. So x is going to equal 45 divided by 30, which both are divisible by 5. So this is pretty nice. 5 goes into this 9 times, and 5 goes into this 6 times. Oh, we could have they were both divisible by 15. I missed that. So actually, even smaller than 9 6, it reduces again. 3 goes into these. 3 and 2. So 3 halves, which is the same as, for all you decimal lovers out there, she can go over a gig and a half and meet her budget of 50. And honestly, if she doesn't go over at all, she's going to be making a really good deal. But the slope on this sucker is so steep. The rate of change for how much you're getting charged there is 30 bucks a gig. You don't want to go over at all because it's not going to take very many gigs for you to really be paying a lot of money. So, like I said, this is the great for the old folks, but not so much for you guys that like that unlimited data and just being on the go all the time. And if you don't have Wi-Fi, definitely don't want to be going with this plan. But I think that's enough shown reasoning. We got our answer here, and it says what value of x makes it true. We found it. So y'all have a great weekend. We got quiz and homework due on Monday. Don't forget about that. And we're just gonna have a good time watching the Shrek thing on Tuesday. Gonna miss seeing you guys, but I'll see plenty of you before Christmas. So y'all have a great weekend. See you.